Welcome to this video. In the last video you made different sprites, so you had two different characters in your play or in your book. What we need to do now is make those characters actually move. Now, moving those sprites, there are different blocks for movement. The three we're going to talk about today are the go to, the glide, and the move a certain number of steps. These are three different ways to make your sprite move, but they're three very different things. So, let's get started. What you have here is you've clicked on the link to get to kind of a template for a program that I've created for you. The very first thing you need to do, and this is very important, is right here at the top, you will have a remix button. I don't have that remix button because it's my work and I can't remix my own work. So you will have a big remix button right there. You need to press it. If you don't press that remix button, then you're not saving your work and you're going to cry later. So save yourself the tears now. Press the remix button at this moment. Once you have pressed that remix button, you will have, it will kind of change and say that it's something remix, and it'll change that title for you. Now that you have remixed it, the first thing I want you to notice is that there are two sprites. I would like for you to click on the cat, and we're going to focus on the cat first. And with the cat, I'm going to show you the difference between the go to and the glide block. Those are both movement blocks. So with the cat selected, I want you to go to the motion area here. In motion, I want you to find the go to block, and I want you to connect it here. You're inside the cat's brain. Now, he has some code right now. In the beginning, he goes to that spot where he is, and he faces 90 degrees, which actually means he's facing to the right. So that's just some setup to make sure he always goes to that spot when the program starts. Then we're going to attach this here, and these numbers, you can put whatever you want to in these numbers. Now, you can get creative. Make him go somewhere on the screen that is not -200, 100. Right? So you'll notice the screen is a big XY grid, just like in math class, which is, I know exactly what you wanted, more math. But I'm going to make him go to that spot right there, which would be 100, 0. Now watch this. When I run the program, I call the go to the teleport block, because he just ignore the bug for right now. He just teleports right there. Now, sorry, let's do this. Go to control and grab me a wait block to do that, so that he will go here, wait before he teleports. So every time you run the program, he'll go to his spot, wait, and teleport to the new spot. There you go. It wasn't animated. You didn't see him go there. He didn't walk there. He didn't fly there. He teleported there. So that's why I call the go to the teleport block. What I want you to do, pause this video if you need to, go to your program, make this happen. Add in a wait and a go to block. Once you have those things, I want to put another wait block, and then I would like for you to test out this glide block. Glide is also a movement farther down. Now, you do not want him to glide to 100, 0 because he's already at 100, 0 at this point in his life. So you need to pick somewhere else. I don't care. Get creative. Have him glide anywhere you want him to, except for 100, 0. And you can use this grid to kind of plot your course of action. I'm going to make him glide to a certain spot. So he goes, waits, teleports, waits, glides. And a glide is a more animated, actually makes him kind of fly there. Now, it doesn't matter what direction he's facing. He was facing to the right, but he glided to the left. So go to and glide don't care anything about where your cat or sprite is facing. What I would like for you to do now is try those again. Add another go to and another glide to this cat, and make him teleport and glide, and play with the numbers, play with the speed, and make your cat kind of move around using those two blocks again. In the next video, we will deal with the beetle. We will boss him around and have him move in a different type of fashion.